Hey guys, welcome to Tech Tricks tutorial. Today we're going to talk about how to make faceless automation YouTube channels using free AI tools. It is a step-by-step guide to follow easily. And don't forget to hit the like and subscribe button. So let's dive right in. I'm sure you've seen YouTube channels like this before, with videos that don't show a person's face or reveal who's behind the content. These are known as faceless YouTube channels. Unlike traditional channels, where a person talks directly to the camera, faceless channels use different techniques. They might use animations, text, or a computer generated voice to convey information and share stories. The focus is on the content itself rather than a specific person. This approach allows creators to explore various topics and maintain their privacy if they prefer not to show their face or use their own voice. It's like having a hidden narrator guiding you through the videos. In this video, we'll feature different AI tools. AI tools can be a big help in creating faceless YouTube channels. These tools use smart computer programs to do tasks that humans usually do. For instance, if you're making videos without showing your face, AI can generate a computer voice that talks in videos. It's like having a virtual speaker. AI can also write scripts for videos based on what you want to talk about. Plus, it can make things like video animations or graphics to keep viewers interested. This way, even if you're not on camera, you can still manage engaging your informative videos. It's like having a bunch of virtual helpers to create content for your channel without needing to be there yourself. First tool that we have in here is ChatGPT. This can be really helpful for creating content for your faceless YouTube channel. It's like a smart computer program that can have a conversation with you and generate text based on what you ask it. If you're making videos without showing your face, you can use ChatGPT to create your scripts. You just tell them what you want in your video to be about, and it comes up with words for you. It's like having a writing buddy who helps you come up with ideas and words for your videos. This way, you can have your script ready even if you're not writing it all yourself. ChatGPT makes content creation easier and faster, like having an AI assistant for your YouTube channel. So for this one, let's ask an idea first on what we're gonna be doing. So we'll ask first on what YouTube niche should we explore to. So here are the different options it generated. So let's choose one from in here and then let's explore it deeper. So I think we're gonna be choosing this one, travel vlogging. Travel vlogging works well in faceless automation videos because it lets you focus on the destinations and experiences without needing to be on camera. AI tools can help by creating engaging scripts and voiceovers that describes the places you visit, while animations and stock footage enhance the storytelling. This approach keeps the spotlight on the travel content and provides an immersive virtual tour experience, all while maintaining your privacy. Now let's ask ChatGPT to create us a channel name and a description for it. And as you can see, it generated us a channel name which is Travel Journey Quest. And you can see also an informative description that it provided us, making our video creation process very easy. Now, since we have our title and description, it's time to move into our second tool, which will help us create a logo and a banner for our YouTube channel. So just click on create a new design, and here on Canva, let's search for a logo. So you'll just need to click onto this one in here, then you will be redirected to the dashboard. Now here on the left side, you'll see different templates to choose from. So I think we're gonna be choosing this one in here since it fits our travel vlogging channel. So what we're gonna do in here is we'll just copy our channel's name and then we're gonna be changing it in here so that we could personalize this template that we've chosen. So feel free to edit it as per your liking. So we choose Canva for creating the logo and banner because it's a user-friendly online design tool that offers a wide range of customizable templates, graphics, and tools. Even if you're not a design expert, Canva makes it easy to create professional-looking visuals for your YouTube channel. Its a drag-and-drop interface simplifies the process of designing logos and banners, allowing you to personalize them to match your channel's style and theme. Plus, Canva offers various templates optimized for YouTube's recommended dimensions, ensuring your logo and banner looks great on different devices. Overall, Canva's accessibility and versatility makes it a popular choice for creators to create appealing and cohesive branding elements for their channels. So we'll just copy the style of this logo and then we'll proceed on creating the banner. So the same thing that we did earlier, just click on create a new design, search for YouTube banner, and then we're just gonna paste there the one that we've made in logo so that the logo and banner would be identical. So just need to click on paste. And then it's time to save it. Just click on to share, then head over to download, choose your desired format, and then wait for it to be downloaded on your device. Now it's time to create your first video. So we'll just ask ChatGPT in here to create a script regarding travel journey quest or related to your channel. So we're gonna ask him that and it will generate a script for you. So once your script is ready, let's head on to the next tool that we're gonna use, which is Lumen 5. We choose a Lumen 5 because it's a user-friendly video creation platform that's perfect for creating engaging videos quickly and easily. Lumen 5 uses AI technology to transform text into captivating video content. This is particularly useful for a faceless YouTube channel, where the focus is on the content rather than a person on camera. With Lumen 5, you can convert your ChatGPT generated scripts into video format, add animation, images, and even stock footage. It streamlines the video creation process, allowing you to efficiently produce quality content without needing advanced video editing skills. Lumen 5's user-friendly interface and AI-driven capabilities makes it a great choice for creators aiming to generate visually appealing and informative videos for their audience. Now to get started, just finish a quick sign-up process, adding your email and then your password. Then you'll be headed to the dashboard. Now simply click onto new video, and then right after, you'd be headed onto the templates page. Lumen 5's template page is like a collection of ready-made video designs. These designs cover different types of content, from starting your video to sharing codes, tutorials, news, and more. You can pick a template that fits your video topic and then customize it by adding your own words, pictures, and even animations. This way, you don't have to build everything from scratch. You can use these templates to make your videos look cool and engaging without needing to be a pro at making videos. So let's choose this one and just click on to use this template. Then right after, it will ask you to choose on the two options, and we're going to be choosing this one since we have a script ready already. Then right after, you'll just need to copy the script that we have onto ChatGPT, and then right after, paste it in here so that Lumen 5 will generate the video for you. Make sure to preview the script that we've added in there, remove the necessary details so that you could proceed smoothly onto the video creation process. Then right after, just click on Continue with AI to generate your video. Then right after, Lumen 5 will do a quick preview onto what your content would look like. So you'll just need to press on to continue to see the video that it generated and then convert to video. Then right after, just wait for it to finish creating the scenes, and then you can publish it or save it and download right after. And there you have it. You've learned how to create a faceless automation YouTube channel using free AI tools. If you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to hit the like, subscribe for more useful content. Thank you very much for tuning in, and until next time, see you in the next video.